learning about the industry, learning about what's happening in the industry is a very important part of success. And gentlemen, I want to ask you a couple of parting comments. Let me start with you, Harvey. Is that what are you the most excited about at this time in the industry with respect to the things that we're doing around NFTs and projects?
I think there's loads of different routes that NFTs and crypto can take, and a lot of them are really undiscovered. And I think it takes an industry, a brand, to go forward and actually do the things that nobody else has done before, and actually then go back and then be a market leader in that space, and then realize, oh, what we've actually really done is really cool. And I think that's something which brands have to do, and brands have to go into the space and do for things which they might have not done before, or avenues which you might not even think of right now.
Yeah, you know, Harvey, I tell people sometimes that my daughter is a surfer, and she tells me that if you get in front of the wave, you can ride the wave forward, and it pushes you and it makes you go faster and further than ever before. But if you get behind the wave, you can't catch up. You're trying to catch up and you just can't get there. And so I kind of turn it to that is that we need to get on top of this, and we need to ride the momentum forward and leverage that for our brands. And so I'm excited about that as well. Simon, let me ask you the very same question. Is that what are you the most excited about at this time in the industry with respect to NFTs and the things that we're doing?
Yeah, I think, look, not too far away and distant from what Harvey said, but I think the opportunity here is, you know, we want to be a first mover. We want to understand before other brands how we can leverage this technology. We want to be able to test and learn, and we want to be able to deliver just great projects and don't do it before anybody else does it. I think that in itself is really exciting. At least it excites me.
Yeah.